everyone is here standing in front of you to present a speech on role of technology in modern education. At St. Xavier's High School, we believe that chalkboard shouldn't be the only window to the modern world. In today's digital era, technology isn't just a tool or device. It's the heartbeat of the modern education. Thank you everyone and have a nice day. Everyone, my name is Shimul Datta and I am from class 8 and my topic is importance of mental health in students. Mental health is crucial for students as it directly impacts their academic performance, emotional regulations and physical health. Students with strong mental health are likely to engage in the disruptive behavior. Supporting a student's mental wellness boosts productivity and reduce dropout rate.
Over here, I am Mohammad Sarfraz Ali from class 8. Today my topic is how to manage time efficiently for students. To manage our time efficiently is most important thing while studying. We have to manage our time because we have to do our work on time. The most important thing is we should subtract distraction while studying and prioritize the task which is most important. Thank you.
My name is Garima Ravi and I am from class 8. Today I am here to speak about the holistic development of our school. Our school, St. Xavier's High School, it stands as a shining example of holistic development where the students are not only educated but are empowered to be a confident personality. Thank you and have a nice day.
Everyone, present over here, I am Priyanshu Priyadarshini from class 8B and today I am going to speak about holistic development. Holistic development means the overall and balanced growth of a person. It not only focuses on studies but also on economic, physical, emotional, social and moral development. In our school, we are given many opportunities to participate in every field. We participate in sports day, annual function, competition and group projects.
CP, and I want to share my views on the benefits of group study. Group study helps students understand topics better and friends can solve doubts together. It makes learning more easier and fun. Thank you very much.
More time to give you, to teach you your queries and all instead of just giving you grades. No, it isn't a dream. It's just education powered by AI, artificial intelligence. So AI is not here to replace the human heart of teaching. It's here to give it superpowers by turning the old one-size-fits-all experience into a personalized one-size-fits-you experiences for students. Beyond efficiency, AI is the ultimate equalizer for global inclusion. And AI is the ultimate equalizer for global inclusion. It breaks down first into real-time translations and also provides speech-to-text tools and information for students with disabilities. In short, AI is not just a new gadget, it's a superpower and a bridge to a smarter and a more inclusive world of learning. So, the classroom of tomorrow is open, so let us join it to make the history together. With this, I would like to end my speech. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good afternoon, one and all visitor here. My name is Abhi Mishra and the topic for today is the importance of mental health. Mental health is just as important as physical health. When our mind is healthy, we can think positively and face our challenges better. It is okay to feel sad or stressed because sometimes we need to talk about our problems and it is very important that we should take help of any elderly person to solve our mental health and mental issues. Taking care of our mind is a sign of strength. Let us support each other and spend our life with kindness. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hi, and I am from class EB. Today I would like to speak about academics. Imagine a world without a knowledge, a sky without a stars, a river without a flow. That's what the life would be without an academics. Academics is not just about textbooks, exams or report card. It's the foundation of our future. It's the blueprint of our dream and the engine of our growth. It sharpens our mind, fuels our curiosity and builds confidence to question, explore and innovate. It teaches us to think like a philosopher, to question like a scientist, and to dream like a poet, and to build like an engineer. So let's not embrace academics and education as a burden, but let's embrace it as a passport to progress, a tool for transformation, and a ladder for our success and aspiration. Thank you everyone. Thank you everyone.
Class 8D. Today I am standing in front of you all to present a speech on the topic benefits of self-study. So let me begin. Self-study is one of the best habits that can be developed by a student. It helps us to encourage ourselves by making us confident and independent. And we do not have to rely upon others. When we study by ourselves, we feel better about the topic which we have learned because we study it in our own speed. Self-study also improves our time management. and help us to prepare well for our exams. It also improves our thinking abilities and problem solving skills.
And Twitter and YouTube have become an important part of today's youth. On the positive side, social media gives instant access to information. Students can join online study groups, follow educational channels, and learn about global issues. However, there are negative effects too. Excessive use can cause addictions and waste valuable time. Constant comparisons with others may cause stress, anxiety, and low self-esteem. In short, social media is a double-edged sword. If used wisely, it can be a powerful tool for growth, but misuse can harm both mental and academic.
Present over here, I would like to speak about a topic which is so popular nowadays, artificial intelligence. As we all use artificial intelligence in our daily lives because it is so useful to us in many ways.